Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling Sublists and Strings, a Python tutorial on accurate length retrieval. In Python, working with lists and sublists is a common task. However, when dealing with nested structures, such as a list containing both sublists and strings, obtaining the length of sublists can be tricky. This tutorial will guide you through the challenge of accurately determining the length of sublists while avoiding unexpected behavior when encountering strings within the nested structure. Consider the following nested list. If you want to get the length of the sublists within nested_list, a straightforward approach might be to use the len function. However, this code will raise a type error when it encounters a string, as the len function expects a sequence but strings are treated as atomic entities. To handle both sublists and strings within a nested list, you can use a conditional check to determine the type of each element. If the element is a list, you can calculate its length. If it's a string, you can choose how to handle it, whether it's considering its length or performing a specific action. Here's an example code snippet. In this example, the isInstance function is used to check the type of each element. If it's a list, the length is added to the sublist_lengths list. If it's a string, you can decide whether to consider its length or perform a different action. Handling nested lists containing both sublists and strings requires a careful approach. By using conditional checks, you can determine the type of each element and handle them accordingly. This tutorial provides a basic framework for obtaining accurate lengths of sublists while accommodating strings within the nested structure. Feel free to customize the code to fit your specific use case. ChatGPT